Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make these amazing honey sriracha chicken wings in the air fryer. These wings are absolutely hands down the best. I'm sure you guys will enjoy this one. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up and let's jump right into it. To begin, I will leave all the ingredients, all the measurement down below for you guys. To get started, I'm using half a teaspoon of rice wine vinegar. Here I have half a teaspoon of sesame seed oil. I have 2 tablespoons of cornstarch here. Over here I have some syrup. The recipe called for honey. I didn't have any, so we're using syrup honey, and trust me, the taste will not change. Here I have the sriracha, so about 1/3 cup of sriracha sauce. And here's the seasoning. I'm using 1 tablespoon of creole seasoning. I'm using salt, pepper, a teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of onion powder, and also a teaspoon of paprika. Measurement will be down below, don't worry guys. All right, here you will need some spray to spray your air fryer. And here I have the chicken wings, of course. Now make sure you wash them before you start cutting them down, or if you have the pre-cut one, you can just skip that step. But I like to buy mines like these and cut them, okay? Now make sure you wash them. I can't stress this enough. Wash it. All right? The way I cut mine so it doesn't bleed, I basically cut in between the cartilage so you don't cut the bones. Next thing you know, it's like bleeding. Yeah. So you don't want that. Just break it. As you guys can see, I just want to see where the cartilage is connected with the bones, and then just snap, cut it, cut it, cut it. Washing the chicken before I cut it is better because you don't want any water to get in between your seasoning and just make it watered down and taste not so good. All right, so just make sure you wash it. If you are cutting your chicken wings, wash it before you start cutting. Once I am done cutting my chicken, I am going to season it, okay? Now the seasoning, make sure you mix it with a fork so everything can well combine together. Then we're going to add a little bit of oil onto the chicken so the seasoning can stick on there and don't budge, don't move, or running away from the chicken. So just give that a mix just like that. Just mix it. Mix it just like that. Okay, okay, and then we're going to add the seasoning on there. Once I am done mixing all the seasoning with the chicken, I am going to add the cornstarch, okay? The cornstarch will make it extra crunchy, extra crispy once it is done. Try this out. I promise you, you will enjoy it. You will come back in this video and thank me because I'm putting you guys on some games. I just got my air fryer. I had to come up with some new technique to make me stand out from the other ones. Okay, so here you have your chicken wings. We're about to air fry it. All right, first time. Well, I've been using this air fryer for about 3 or 4 times now. I will leave it down below. It's perfect. Okay, I will leave it down below for you guys. You can purchase it on Amazon. Now what I'm going to do is just spray it with the non-stick spray so the chicken doesn't stick on there, obviously. Then we're going to add in the chicken. And the good thing about this air fryer, it came with like a little rack for when you're making shrimp kebabs or chicken kebabs. So I will put it into use, okay? I'm going to spray it just like that, then add the chicken on there. I don't think it's made for that, but you got to improvise. Now we're going to place it back on there, set the timer in the temperature. Temperature is 380, I'm sorry. Timer is 25 minutes. Once they're done, y'all can see it's looking crispy already, but it's not done yet. Just give it a little shake. Turn them over about halfway through the cooking or air frying process. Then put it back in there until it is done. 12 more minutes. And there they are. They are extremely crunchy and super crispy. When I tell you they were so crispy, I'm like, I need to use this air fryer thing more. Let me know what type of recipe you guys would like to see me do with this air fryer. To make the sauce, you're going to take your sriracha sauce, add the sesame seed oil on there, just like that. Next, we're going to add in our rice vinegar, okay? Then we're going to add in the syrup or honey if you have some. Now all you have to do is just add it all over your chicken. And then once you're done, you can toss it and basically make sure it's well coated with the sauce and you're done. I didn't want to add all of it all at once because when I tell you those wings were crunchy and crispy, I didn't want to overdo it to a point where it's soggy. So I added little by little and here they are. Extremely delicious. And if you like spicy, this is spicy and sweet, my type of thing. Okay, here it is. Let me know what you guys think about this recipe and try this out. I'm sure you guys will love it. It's absolutely the best wings ever. You will love it. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up for me if you enjoy the recipe. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and also comment down below. You cannot forget about that. Comment down below, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.